By the time I've had the lyrics printed out, that's why I've met most of you on the way through. I find it very hard to do other people's lyrics. I think that's our two songs, right?
Yeah, unless you want to run through anything.
Oh, we could do this. Yeah, we can run through. What should we? Oh. Yeah, we need a
The whole set.
We'll have a tuner later as well as my guitar. I'll be a tune too.
Not tonight.
Yeah, that's what are we gonna do? Read my lyrics.
Anyone want to do anything, Pug?
Why don't you do Lone Rider? Were you singing it? That sounded good.
not doing it.
It sounded great. You were singing it earlier. Sounded
I
good.
can't remember the words. I was going la la la.
You did. You went. What's the first?
Alright, tell me the first line.
You got the first. That's why I was impressed.
What is it? Down now. You know what it's like.
I was down
Oh yeah, that's that. What's the first
I was
line
out.
for the second one?
and is looking for someone or something.
I'll sing it with you.
No, I like that you sang it great.
So lazy. You will get me to sing it. Okay, hang on, how's it go? Oh yeah, that one, isn't it? Come on then. Pug starts it.
Looking for someone or something, I couldn't work it out. Then I saw her out of the blue. She was looking for someone or something, had to be you. Here she comes, the Lone Rider. Here she comes. The lyric sheet for this one.
Yes,
That was the last song we did on the album.
Either.
But I thought James knew the lyrics better than me.
I told you I did.
I thought he idolized my vision every day. Joy's words.
Can't remember the words of that?
Well, no.
Okay.
I know.